Claude AI account banned. How to appeal recover your account. Has your Claude AI account suddenly been disabled or suspended? Don't panic. In today's video, I'll show you the official appeal process and explain how to present your case clearly so the appropriate team can review your account. First, go to Claude and try signing in with the same account that was disabled. According to Anthropic's current help center, users who believe their account was suspended or terminated incorrectly can log in with the affected account and access the appeal form. The important part is to use the account connected to the suspension rather than creating a completely different account. Once you reach the restricted account screen, look for the option to submit an appeal and open the form. Follow the instructions shown there and provide accurate information about your account and situation. When explaining what happened, keep your message short, factual, and respectful. Clearly state that you believe the restriction may have been made in error, and briefly describe how you normally use Claude. If you know of something that happened shortly before the restriction, explain it honestly rather than guessing about the reason. You should also provide any relevant information the appeal form requests. If you received a notification containing a reference number or other details, include those accurately. Clear information makes it easier for the review team to understand your situation. After submitting the appeal, the most important thing is patience. Anthropic currently notes that response times may be longer than usual because of increased email volume. Avoid sending multiple duplicate appeals or repeatedly opening new support requests about the same issue. Instead, keep an eye on your email, including your spam or junk folder, for updates. If you cannot log in at all, Claude's Help Center also provides a support messenger where users can request assistance with login-related problems. So, if your Claude account has been disabled, the best approach is simple. Use the affected account to access the official appeal process, provide accurate information, explain your situation clearly, and then give the review team time to respond. If this tutorial helped you, like the video, subscribe to HM Advisor, and stay tuned for more AI tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and practical tech tips.